In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore WhatsApp chats from Google Drive. This walkthrough is for Android devices that back up WhatsApp to Google Drive. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the same Google account that holds your backup and that you can receive SMS or calls on the phone number linked to your WhatsApp. A stable Wi-Fi connection will also make the download faster and more reliable. First, uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. This might feel counterintuitive, but it's the key to triggering the restore process. Removing the app does not delete your Google Drive backup. It simply clears the app from your device so that when you put it back, WhatsApp can check for and offer to restore your saved chats. Next, head to the Play Store and reinstall WhatsApp. Search for the official app and tap install. Once the download finishes, open WhatsApp and proceed through the initial prompts. You'll be asked to verify your phone number, enter the exact number you used when the backup was created, including the correct country code. WhatsApp will send a verification code by SMS or call. Type that code in when prompted. Using the same number is crucial. WhatsApp can only restore a backup that matches the verified phone number. After verification, grant WhatsApp access to your Google account so it can look for your backup. If your phone has multiple Google accounts signed in, choose the one where the WhatsApp backup lives. Approve any permission prompts so WhatsApp can read the backup details. WhatsApp will then scan your Google Drive and display the backup size and date. This lets you confirm you're restoring the most recent snapshot of your chats. When you see the details, tap the green restore button. If no backup appears, double check you're on the right Google account and that you verified the correct phone number. Otherwise, continue and let WhatsApp do the rest. Finally, let the data download. Keep your phone awake, connected to Wi-Fi, and plugged in if possible. Messages usually restore first, so you can start chatting while media like photos, videos, and voice notes continue downloading in the background. Large backups can take some time. Be patient and avoid force closing the app during this stage. Once it's done, your conversations, group chats, and media will reappear just as they were at the time of the backup. That's all there is to it. You've successfully restored your WhatsApp chats from Google Drive. If this helped, take a moment to confirm everything looks right and enjoy picking up your conversations right where you left off.